Hello dear students, today we will discuss worksheet number 67. How do organisms reproduce? Sexual mode of reproduction. Sexual reproduction is the production of new organism from two parents by making use of their gametes or sex cell. Here gametes which contain only half the number of chromosomes and will develop into a new organism. Why sexual reproduction is important? Sexual reproduction promotes diversity of characters in the offspring because it results from the fusion of two gametes. It plays a role in the origin of new species as it allows new combination of characters. It leads to variation which is necessary for evolution. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants. A flower may be unisexual if it contains only stamen or carpel. Example है papaya or watermelon, or bisexual if it contains both stamens and carpel both, hibiscus and mustard. The reproductive part of angiosperm are located in the flower. Stamen is the male reproductive part and it produces pollen grains. Carpel is present in the center of a flower and is the female reproductive part. It is made up of three parts. Swollen bottom part is the ovary, middle elongated part is a style, and terminal part, which may be sticky, is the stigma. The ovary contains ovules and each ovule has an egg cell. The male germ cell produced by pollen grain fuses with the female gamete present in the ovule. This fusion of the germ cell or fertilization give the zygote which is capable of growing into a new plant. Transfer of pollen grain from the stamen to the stigma is called pollination. If this transfer of pollen occurs in the same flower, it is referred to as self-pollination. If the pollen is transferred from one flower to another, it is known as cross-pollination. The transfer of pollen from one flower to another by agents like wind, water, or animal. After the pollen lands on a suitable stigma, it has to reach the female germ cell which are in the ovary. For this, a tube grows out of the pollen grain and travels through the style to reach the ovary. The ovule develops a tough coat and is gradually converted into a seed. यानी ovule seed में बदल जाता है. The ovary grows rapidly and ripens to form a fruits. यानी ovary fruit में convert हो जाती है. Meanwhile, the petals, sepals, stamens, style and stigma may shriveled and fall off. The seed contains the future plant or embryo, which develops into a seedling under appropriate condition. This is called germination. Now let us discuss the question. How sexual reproduction create variation? Answer number 1. Sexual reproduction promotes genetic variation by producing different gene combination. Meiosis is the process by which sex cells or gametes are created. Genetic variation occurs as alleles in the gametes are separated and randomly united upon fertilization. The genetic recombination of genes also occurs during crossing over or the swapping of gene segment in homologous chromosomes during meiosis. Why is the sexual reproduction important? Sexual reproduction promotes diversity of characters in the offspring because it results from the fusion of two gametes. It plays a role in the origin of new species as it allows new combination of characters. It leads to variation which is necessary for evolution. Question number 3. Give example of unisexual and bisexual flowers. Examples of bisexual and unisexual flowers are as follows. Bisexual flowers में आ गए mustard, pea, hibiscus and rose. यूनिसेक्सुअल में हो गए कुकुम्बर, मेज, पपैया एटसेट्रा. डिफ्रेंशिएट बिटवीन सेल्फ एंड क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन, तो आप इसमें से लिख सकते हैं. इफ दिस ट्रांसफर ऑफ pollen occur in the same flower, it is referred to as self pollination. If the pollen is transferred from one flower to another, it is known as cross pollination. What is germination? How seeds and fruits are formed? The seed contain the future plant or embryo, which develops into seedling under appropriate condition. This is called germination. The ovule develops a tough coat and is gradually converted into seed. The ovary grows rapidly and ripens to form a fruit. Meanwhile, the petals, sepals, stamens, style, and stigma may shrivel and fall off.